Okay, Skylar making a pumpkin. Will you go in there? Can you go in there? Use your tool. Go in there. Come on, monkey. Ooh, good girl. Oh, those are all the seeds, yeah. Can you go in again? What do you think? Yeah, do you like it? Good pumpkin. We'll go in. You do that? Yay, Skylar! You're cleaning out the pumpkin. Good girl. What do you think of that? Is it fun? Good girl.